Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best backpack for school, the Under Armour Hustle Sport Backpack. If you're looking for a backpack that combines durability, style, and practicality, this might just be the perfect choice for you. First off, the Under Armour Hustle Sport Backpack is designed to be tough and lightweight, making it ideal for students who need to carry books, laptops, and other essentials without feeling weighed down. One of the standout features of this backpack is the UA Storm technology, which provides a highly water-resistant and stain-resistant finish. This means your belongings stay protected even in rainy weather or accidental spills, which is a huge plus for daily school use. The backpack measures 18.5 inches by 12.6 inches by 7.4 inches, offering a spacious 26-liter capacity. This size is great for fitting everything you need for school, from binders and notebooks to lunchboxes and sports gear. Despite its generous size, the backpack remains easy to carry thanks to its padded back panel and ergonomically designed shoulder straps. These straps are adjustable and shaped to provide comfort throughout the day, even if you're carrying a heavy load. Another thoughtful detail is the soft-lined laptop sleeve. It can comfortably hold laptops up to 15 inches, including a 15-inch MacBook Pro or other similar-sized devices. This dedicated compartment keeps your laptop safe from scratches and bumps, which is essential for students who bring their computers to class or the library. For added organization, there's a large zippered front valuables pocket perfect for storing smaller items like keys, wallets, or phones. The front sleeve features a bungee cord with an adjustable pull, allowing you to quickly stash a jacket, shoes, or even a ball. A convenient feature for active students who participate in sports or after-school activities. On the sides, you'll find two water bottle pockets, so staying hydrated throughout the day is easy without having to open your main compartments. The bottom panel is coated with a durable, abrasion-resistant material, ensuring the backpack can withstand rough surfaces and heavy use over time. The overall look of the Under Armour Hustle Sport Backpack is clean and sporty, available in classic black with silver accents, making it a versatile option that suits both casual and athletic styles. Whether you're heading to school, practice, or just out and about, this backpack is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. In summary, the Under Armour Hustle Sport Backpack offers an excellent blend of durability, water resistance, comfort, and smart organization. Its thoughtful design caters perfectly to students' needs, protecting tech gear while providing ample space for everything else. If you want a reliable, stylish, and functional backpack that stands up to daily wear and weather, the Hustle Sport Backpack deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.